If you want to accept Square payments on your GoDaddy website, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the setup from start to finish. We'll go through the process carefully so you can connect Square to your WordPress site, enable payments, and save your changes the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. First, open your browser and go to yourdomain/wp-admin. This is the WordPress admin login page for your GoDaddy website. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. If you're not sure which account has administrator access, use the account that can manage plugins and payment settings. After you're inside the WordPress dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click on Plugins, then choose Add Plugins. This is where you can install the tools you need to add new features to your website. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the plugin that helps turn your WordPress site into an online store, which is what you need before connecting Square. When WooCommerce appears in the results, click Install, then activate it once the installation is finished. After activation, WooCommerce will add new settings to your dashboard. Now go back to the left sidebar and click WooCommerce, then open Settings. This is where you'll find the payment options for your store. Inside the WooCommerce settings, click the Payments tab. This area controls which payment methods your store can accept. Scroll through the payment options until you find Square. If Square is not already installed, click to install it. Once the installation finishes, click the Complete Setup button. This will begin the connection process between WooCommerce and Square. Next, click Connect with Square. A new login screen will appear, and this is where you'll sign into your Square account. Enter your Square email and password, then continue through the login process. If Square asks you to confirm your identity or complete any security checks, follow those steps carefully. After you sign in, Square will ask for permission to connect with your WooCommerce store. This is an important step because it allows the two platforms to communicate securely. Review the permissions, then allow the connection if everything looks correct. Once the authorization is approved, you'll be sent back to your WooCommerce settings. Now that the accounts are linked, return to the WooCommerce payment section and make sure Square payments are enabled. Depending on your setup, you may also want to configure a few payment settings, such as transaction preferences, location details, or checkout options. Take a moment to review everything so your checkout experience works the way you want it to. When you're happy with the settings, click Save Changes. This final step is important because it applies the Square connection to your website. After saving, your GoDaddy WordPress site should now be ready to accept Square payments through WooCommerce. If you want to test everything, it's always a good idea to place a test order or review your checkout page to make sure Square is showing up properly. That way, you can confirm the setup before customers start placing real orders. And that's how to add Square to your GoDaddy website. You've installed WooCommerce, connected Square, enabled payments, and saved the configuration. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful website walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.